Coby with CobyWright.com, and today I'm back with another great video for you. Hopefully, you can learn something new today. The last video I talked about creating headers, and before that, uploading sales pages. So this kind of goes all with that. After you get your header created and your sales page uploaded, you're going to want to put a payment button on there so you can obviously get paid. That's what you're doing this for. That's what we want. We want to get our money. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. And I'm going to show you actually an easy way to set it up so that you can also sell it as an affiliate. You can also offer your product as an affiliate. I'm going to go over to simpleoneclick.com, which is where we're at now. And I've already started doing this here. All you do is, it's pretty self-explanatory. When you open it up, you're going to go to products, and then you go to create product. And then once you're there, you just simply enter in your product name here, which I put Coby Wright's test video, and then a description. And you can see here I got a description. This is for Coby's awesome subscribers. Yes, that's you. And then you put in your price here. I'm going to put in $1, and I'm going to show you why here in just a second. And then simply enter in your sales page here. This one's going to be cobywright.com/test.html. And then on your thank you page, this is just simply where you enter the download page. If you're using an autoresponder that's not GetResponse or Aweber or one of the ones that use the email top submit, where it's like with Aweber, it's your list name at aweber.com. Then if you're using Imnica like me, which if you want to check out Imnica, it's cobywright.com/Imnica, IMNICA, which is this. You're just simply going to enter in that. You're simply going to enter the URL address for your opt-in page. And what I'm talking about is this, something that looks like this. You just simply enter in the URL for this page, so that once they purchase, they'll enter in their name and opt into your list, and then that will simply forward them to the download page. But if you're using Aweber or GetResponse, then you would put it in over here, your list name at aweber.com, or just if you're using any of the autoresponder services that use this top submit to add people to your list, then you can do that. Imnica doesn't do that yet, so that's okay. They offer a lot of other cool stuff, and I love them. So here we're going to put in our thank you page, and we'll just put in Google. This is a test. And here's where you put in how much commission you want to pay. You can put anything anywhere from 0 up to 100. And then you select a category. We'll do marketing and ads, money and employment. Probably either one of those will fit. Show in marketplace. For most instances, you're going to choose yes. In this case, I'm going to choose no, since this isn't a real product. But another instance when you might choose no is when you're using like a one-time offer. Like if you have a sales page on your, if you have an opt-in form on your sales page, and then you offer a one-time offer on that, or maybe you just have a one-time offer for an email list or for another product, for a WSO or something. Then you wouldn't want it to be in the show in the marketplace necessarily. Then you would just hit no. The way that you would make sure that your affiliates get paid on that, though, is you would use what's called residual tracking. It's very, very easy with simple one-click. You simply go to your products, and you click on residual tracking, and you can actually link together any of your products that you want, and so that your affiliates, they get cookied for any one product, they get commission on all those that you choose. And if you want to put a maximum number on the amount of copies sold, that would go here. And then we discussed this. This would be your list name at Aweber. If you're using Imnica, then you will use your thank you page as your customer capture page. Otherwise, this will be your download page. If you're using Aweber, this will be your download page. Here's two cool things that Simple One Click has. Dom sale option, which is why we put this at $1, because we're going to start it at $1, and have the price increase every 3 sales by 50 cents. And another option that they just put in here is the joint venture option, which is really cool. If um, say for instance, Mike Cowles, who is the owner of Simple One Click, if I was to contact him, or if we were to JV together, and I said, okay, Mike, if you will recommend this to all of your contacts, all your people that are in, your other big marketing buddies, then I'll give you a percentage of all of their sales. So say you're offering 50% commission here, you could say, okay, Mike, I'm going to give you 10% of all your of all the sales made. This could also work too if actually his username is this, I believe. Yeah. So that would be instance like, say if you contacted me and we created a product and I said, okay, I'll help you with the product and I'll promote it to my list for you, but I want a percentage of all the sales, and I want maybe collect some of the opt-ins by putting a form on your download page or something. But then you would say, okay, Coby, I'll create the product, you promote it, and I'll give you 10% of all the sales, or I'll give you 50% of all the sales if it was a like a real, like if we did 50-50 on it and you did have to work and I did have to work, or you're a brand new marketer and you're like, hey, I have nothing, I'm starting from zero, if you'll help me, I'll give you 50% of all the sales and I'll give the other 50% to the affiliates. So that way essentially I would be getting the profit, but you'd be getting a buyer's list and you'd be getting your name out there. Or you could do 10%. It's whatever. This optional. I haven't utilized this yet, but Simple One Click is brand new, so I'm sure that I will put this to use in the future. And I'm sure Mike would be very happy if I set up a product and gave him 10% just for the heck of it. So we take that off unless you have prior arrangements. And here's where you would enter in any affiliate tools if you had banners or whatnot. We're not going to worry about that right now. And then we just hit save, and this may time out since it's been a minute. Oh, products can only contain letters. I put a dash or a slash in there on accident. So we'll just hit save. Why is it? Oh, it doesn't like apostrophes. No problem. We will fix that. Now, I noticed that on one of my other products, but I thought maybe I just typed it wrong, so I didn't fix it yet. That's okay. It's a simple bug. This is a brand new platform. Simple One Click is, but it's awesome. I've already got several products in here, as you can see already, and I'm putting all my future products, as of right now, will be on here. And here's the residual tracking that I was talking about. For example, you can see that on the Guru Blueprint Workshop, I have it, and then I also have a one-time offer set up. And the same way with Forum Fever, you can see I have the software, and then I have a one-time offer for those that opt in. And you can see it's at $1, but these are selling much higher now because they were started off as a dime sale. Now that we've got our product in here, which is right up here at the top, Coby Wright's test video, you're simply going to click on links, and now all we do is simply highlight this. You can right click and choose copy, or you can also use your keyboard Control C. And that's going to put a button that looks like this. Now I'm going to go to Composer. Let me make this a little smaller so you can see it. This is Composer. It's a free HTML editor that you've probably heard me talk about before if you've watched any of my videos or been in any of my coaching. Okay, get it fixed up here instead of this the screen. Alright. All we're going to do is click Source. Control V is what I'm using, the keyboard shortcut. You can also right click and choose Paste. You can see it, put that in there. Go back to normal, it should show up. Yep. If you want to center it, you can click it and hit this center. If you want to know the HTML code, that's Don't worry about that code. I'm going to show you the HTML code. Let me go back. Take this off. It's just bracket, center, bracket. And then to close it, same way. Oops. Bracket, / center, close bracket. And that's actually, these are actually called lesser and greater than signs or something, but you know what I'm saying. I tell you that I'm not smart, or take that back. I tell you that I'm not a technical person, so if I can do this stuff, you can do this stuff. And this is what the button will look like on our website whenever we upload it here just a second. It'll look like this by now one, and there's only 3 left since we set our dime sale up that way. So I'm going to go ahead and FTP this to my website. Which is going to be over here. Oops, sorry. Where is O-Test? There it is. Double click it. It's uploaded. It's about to be. Okay, this is where we'll go look at it on my blog. Right now, the browser is set at cobywright.com/test.html, and this is the page that is up. Not found. Apologies, but the page you requested cannot be found. Perhaps searching will help. Of course, I brought this up before I put the file on my server. So now I'm going to hit the F5 button to refresh. Oops, my pop-up. Oh, I didn't save this in Composer. I didn't. So it's uploaded the blank file. So see, this just proves again I'm barely smart enough to do this. So you can handle this as well. Save. Repeat the FTP process. There we go. Got that up. I'll apply to current queue only, which is rewriting it. So now let's hit the F5 button again to refresh it, and there's our beautiful Buy Now button. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit better so you can see it. And it's that easy. That's all it takes to put a payment button on your website. Now, if you want to get fancy with it and use your own image, I'm gonna show you how to do that using simple one-click. Also, you go back here. Go to simple one-click, and if you're doing this for a Warrior Special Offer, there's a code there. We're going to choose advanced options, and we're going to get the plain link. So if you want to do text or something. So I'm going to grab this, copy and paste by right-clicking it, and then choosing paste. I'm going to go back to Composer, and go to normal. Buy this now. And if you put an image here instead, it works exactly the same way. You you click on the link button up here, paste in your link. Oops, too much. Control Z. You go back over here. Sorry. Simple one click. Oh, okay, it's already got. No, that's not the plain code. I'm just going to pull the code out of here. And my computer's running really slow because Cam Studio. For some reason, it didn't pull the right. So I'm just going to go pull out this part. if you look at this part that's right after, that's in quotations after the href, not after the source. That would be the image. It'll say image source equals. So we're going to copy that and go back to what we were trying to do. I'm going to paste that in here. Oops, paste. And hit OK. And now that'll show up as a link. Cancel. That'll show up as a link. I'm going to save it. Upload it to our website. FTP. Done. Oops, not done. Yes. Okay, now it's done. Go back over here, refresh. Ta-da! There's our Buy This Now button. And we'll click on it, you'll see that it does work. Here we go, CobyWright.com, $1. And that's it. That's all it takes to get a payment button on your website. And again, this was simple one-click. And it's that easy. Again, thanks for stopping by. Leave some comments underneath this video. Check out the link underneath this video for some PLR products that you can use if you need some to put your name on. And leave me some comments about what you think and some suggestions for the next couple of videos. This is Coby Wright signing off.